Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make s'mores cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and pale. Then add in the eggs one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature, mixing really well after adding each one. Then add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the dry ingredients. And mix them in by hands just until they're combined. Then add in the roughly chopped graham crackers and chopped chocolate bar or chocolate chips, and fold them in until they're thoroughly combined. We don't mix the marshmallows into the dough because once they bake, they will melt and combine with the cookies and cause them to spread in all different directions. Then scoop 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and place them onto an ungreased sheet pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches apart to give them room to spread. And bake them in the oven for 8 minutes until they're just starting to brown around the edges. Then remove them from the oven and top them with mini marshmallows, pressing them in so they stick. If you want the marshmallows puffed, then return the cookies to the oven and bake them for 2 minutes until the marshmallows are puffed. Or if you want the marshmallows toasted, then turn the oven on to broil and let it heat up for a moment. Place the cookies into the oven and bake them until the marshmallows are browned to your liking. It should only take 30 seconds to a minute. Watch them carefully to make sure they don't burn. Then remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 3 to 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or cooled to room temperature. Of course, if you're choosing to brown the marshmallows, then turn the oven back onto 375 degrees before baking the next batch of cookies. And that's how to make s'mores cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.